Hello good people, I am Mahmud Al Hassan. Finally, after 3 months, many people were eagerly waiting for the new video to come. However, whether anyone waited or not, the video came out. In fact, it was a matter of thinking about a lot. And wipe it a bit. Keep copy of picture of model for later. I will go to effects and select artistic from the category, then use the effect called SketchArt 2. Take a look at the process. Many people wanted to know how I blend color. See the process. We'll now add some highlights to this picture. Now we will darken the third copy from the adjustment. Then use the image as shadow. I think I was able to show the process of blending. Now I will add the second picture of the model and put it according to the position. And mix some color from the adjustment. We'll put the jersey number of Ramos. All over the background. You can take the color of the stroke as per your choice. Then go to blend and choose multiple. I will go to the erase and erase the text from the model's body. I am lowering the stroke opacity a bit. Then put the name of Real Madrid in the text. Make 4 tabs after each alphabet, so I will write the whole name. Select gray as the text color and I will place the text on the left side of the frame. Select the draw icon from the tool. Go to the draw and take the black color from the color box. Then click on the brush and take the size and opacity of the brush as anyone wish. This time, give shadow under the feet of the model. Follow the process. This time, we'll use 2 shapes to make it a little more gorgeous. Take the square from the shape icon and from the left corner, I will place it in the middle of the right side. Then copy the layer. Then I will go to transfer by clicking on the 3 dot icon above. See the process. Reduce the opacity as needed. Erase the shape shadow from the model's body.
So guys,
Finally finished. Let us know in the comments who wants to know what. And of course, hit like button, subscribe to my channel to get regular videos.